I've got a fast timeline for you. A 38-year-old DACA recipient in Texas, Yaqub Ira Vijandre, legal name Jacob Ira Azurin Vijandre, was detained by ICE on October 7, 2025, as he left his Arlington home for work. According to his legal team, at least one agent pointed a handgun during the arrest. Who is he? A Filipino immigrant, freelance journalist, and activist in the Dallas area. He's been under DACA for 12 years, currently valid through May 2026. He hasn't been charged with a crime in the US or elsewhere, per court filings. Why did ICE move? DHS says his social media posts glorified terrorism, citing alleged support for groups like the Holy Land Foundation, whose leaders were convicted years ago in controversial cases tied to Hamas. Vijandre's attorneys say that's wrong, that his posts criticize U.S. foreign policy, Israeli government policies, and human rights abuses in detention, and that this is protected speech. Context: his detention came a day after he recorded and spoke at a Richardson City Council meeting, backing a local leader detained by ICE. He's not alone. Other outspoken figures this year, students Mahmoud Khalil Rumeysa Öztürk and British commentator Sami Hamdi, were also detained after pro-Palestinian speech. Legally, his team filed a habeas corpus petition, saying the detention is unlawful, violates his First and Fifth Amendment rights, and asking for immediate release plus an injunction against further unlawful detention. They argue DHS is conflating dissent with terrorism, and that his posts don't come close to imminent incitement, the standard used to judge when speech loses protection. There's more. A notice of intent to terminate DACA is dated September 22nd, but his attorneys say he only found it in his mailbox days after the arrest. The filing also claims the FBI tried to recruit him as a confidential informant in late 2023. He declined, and his team alleges the current detention may be retaliation. A record given to his lawyers lists him as a subject of interest to the FBI's Dallas Joint Terrorism Task Force at an unspecified time. DHS stands by its position about his posts. His attorneys warn this tests core democratic principles and could chill protected speech. I'll keep watching the court's next moves on his release and DACA status. Please like, subscribe, and express how you feel about this subject in the comment section below.